Our cranes are called E-cranes. That means that they're balanced, and that means that they're very energy efficient and therefore ideal to use inside industrial environments like scrapyard and steel mills. We try not to sell a product but a solution, so we help our clients design the perfect layout for their scrapyards so that they can optimize the flow of materials inside their steel mill.
Yeah, WIG's quite an old company. It's been around for over 75 years, and we're very active in the thermal processing industry. We're a manufacturer of valves, and in fact, everything that goes between the gas supply and the actual use of the gas. Environmental protection is very, very important. We're working, and our customers are working with some gases which are potentially very dangerous, and it's very important that the gases stay inside the pipe and do not escape to the environment and do not present a safety hazard in the operation. So it's very, very important, and that's why WIG as a gas control technology is helping to protect the environment and to protect people.
I'm Carl Salin, and I'm working for Morgan Hammar, who is a company supplying mainly spare parts and guides for the rolling mill industries. So we are targeting customers that want to be one step ahead and have the latest technology in the mills, that are looking to improve their safety, their quality and their yield in the mill. What is special with the newest product, the RX Roller Guide, is the new servo motor on top of the guide that is doing all the control, all the settings, and also gives feedback to the operator on how the mill is performing.
I believe still the steel sector is affected by overcapacity. So our customers are looking to how improve products. For example, the e-mobility is introducing a lot of new feature requested. So a lot of investment will be into better products, new products, more than new capacity. And that's why, as technology provider, we think we best fit this sort of request. And second, we want somehow to transform this industry and be more attractive. Today, somehow, a young person tend to relate mining metals as industry which are polluting. We believe our task is, I like to say, to save the world. We want to, as an engineering company, to develop new technology to make this industry really greener. And that's, we want young talent to join us to really make the world better in the future.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and always be the first to know what's going on in the industry.